Hey guys, for anybody out there that has this 2GIG or 2 gig, whatever you want to call it, alarm system, it has a battery backup and it has a tendency to go bad over the years. So you can see right here is the indicator that this one is out. And again, just to double check, you see an alert here too, low battery. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change this out and put a new battery in it. So how do you know if you need your battery backup changed? So if you just press on security, you'll see a yellow warning light. It's an alert, low battery, and then you can see right here percentile. So at night or during the day, you may actually hear this beep, and then that's another signal to let you know that this battery is going low. So now let's go ahead and get it swapped out. So the first thing we're going to do is at the top you have a Phillips head, and it just takes a small screwdriver, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this out. This little silver screw up here. Yeah, just a little Phillips head. And then let me get my phone situated here. Okay, so after we take out the screw, then what you're going to do is just actually take the console and you're just going to pull it forward, and then the whole panel is actually going to release from the wall, just like that. Now if you spin it around, you'll be able to see that there's a little two-prong plug, the black and the red wire plugs into the circuit board, and then you have your battery backup right here. So I'll go ahead and get the new one out, and then we'll just get these swapped out. Now there is a little small clip on the back side, on this side, that I actually had to squeeze in with some fine needle nose, and then kind of just work it back and forth as I was pulling it straight up. So now it's loose, and then I'll go ahead and get the battery out of there. Now you can always take out the old battery here and then match up your numbers 100% accurate, but you can see this is the old one that I pulled out. And then let's get to see, this is the little clip. You can see the little prongs, why I had to squeeze the upper portion to get those two, the fatter ends, and then kind of pull it up at the same time. So that was probably the toughest out of the whole thing. This is the battery box that I ordered off of Amazon. And then open it up. Let's see the battery pack here, and the red and black wires. This is so you can see the numbers here on this battery. I have the new battery in, and then I just have it plugged in. Just make sure your plug is in the correct orientation, and it'll slide and snap right in. And then now we're going to go ahead and get this mounted back up on the wall. To get it on the wall, what you're going to do is just take this lip right here and then line it up with the tray, and then start at the bottom, get the bottom lined up, and then just rotate the front so it goes up to the very top. And then you have two little clips up here that kind of snap in, and then there's another little guide up here, and then your hole for your screw. So now you can go ahead and start putting your screw in. Alright, so the screw's in at the top. Now we'll come here to the menu board, hit our alert, console battery low. Okay, then we hit OK, and then let's go ahead and check out everything on here. Status, alerts, still says low battery, but we'll just let this sit, and then I'll come back and then check it. Okay, so the key for clearing everything out and making sure that the alarm light goes away is you have to wait 24 hours. So you come in here, hit the home button, hit security, you'll see that the warning light there is gone. So should be good to go. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.